Now, I know we kind of showed this in another video already, but just that way this has its own standalone video. I want to show you really quickly how you can use the different Harpa prompts. So there are 3 ways to access the prompt command interface. One is by clicking Alt-X on your keyboard. 2 is going to be clicking on the Show Commands icon right down here. And then the other option is clicking the /, which is also the same as your question mark button on your keyboard. And that will also open this up. As long as the chat is empty down here, right? So you want to make sure that you're clicking on this, making sure that that's ready to type in. So like type like that, and then we'll erase that, and then just click /. Then from this list, you just kind of pick the one that you want. If you want to find something in particular, you can start writing out the name of the prompt that you want to use, and then it will start filtering those out based off of the name of the prompt or what is in the descriptions right down here. So the Google Sheets expert has shortcuts, and so it says, okay, short's part of that. And then as soon as you find the one that you want, you just push the button and it will start running. Now, in this case, there's no video here for the distract distort from, so I'm not going to worry about that. But that is how you use your commands. Oh, if you ever want to cancel a command while it's running, you'll notice that this thing will turn red. That's just a stop button. Then also, if you have a command that's running and you want to stop and it's waiting for an input. So if it's waiting for an input, it will turn into a little blue arrow. If you click escape on your keyboard, then it will cancel that, and then you can use it as normal. The other thing to keep in mind with this is that this is still just a normal ChatGPT interface. It's just on a different website. So we can say, I don't know, what color is the sky? And it will still act just like your normal ChatGPT. You just don't have to open up your normal, web page in order to open it up. So that is how to use Harpa commands.